Intro to Cloud Computing. Background information. Before cloud computing, hosting a website would involve a large amount of upfront capital to purchase the servers and maintenance. Previously, many servers would remain idle and unused because there was a surplus in order to handle peak traffic volumes. However, now with cloud computing, web storage is available by demand. Cloud computing's name as the cloud represents the internet in connecting computer networks. Its emergence has led to the availability of software from practically anywhere with an internet signal. So, what is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the use of remote servers over the internet to store, manage, and process data. It's a type of grid computing where a large processing power becomes available to use through a network of computers working together to solve tasks. Cloud servers are created using virtualization software to divide a physical server into multiple virtual servers, allowing remote access through an online interface. With cloud computing, users pay an hourly usage fee to access servers. Furthermore, because of a large number of servers, users will always have enough online storage to fit their changing needs, paying based on how much they use. The top cloud providers include Microsoft, estimated at $28 billion, Amazon at $26 billion, IBM at $20 billion, Salesforce at $12 billion. With just the top four alone, industry revenue exceeds $100 billion. There are two types of cloud models: service models and deployment models. Infrastructure as a service gives users a server on cloud, allowing them to utilize it however they like, as a database, website host, operating system, or more. Platform gives access to just user interface, allowing to upload based on what the cloud provider allows, giving the tools necessary to modify and configure settings for a website. Software as a service allows the client to use a software however they want without having to worry about maintenance. There are three deployment models. In a public cloud, you can share your server with a host of different people. On the other hand, a private cloud is a standalone system where a client can request a server with their own operating system. A hybrid cloud is a mix of both, where you can host certain data on your own servers and use the public cloud to host a website or other applications. Porter's 5 forces. Threat of entrance is low to medium risk because of the presence of industry giants like Microsoft and Amazon and reasonable required initial investment, time to market, and exit barriers. Industry rivalry is high as many ICT industry giants are heavily involved, including IBM and Google. Though their services differ depending on whether they use infrastructure, platform, or software, low product differentiation leads to high competition. Bargaining powers of buyers is medium to high because of lower switching costs and price sensitivity. Companies must promote brand loyalty to retain customers. Bargaining power of suppliers is low as there is high availability and low switching costs for cloud providers when switching between suppliers that support their infrastructure. Threat of substitute is low as cloud computing is actually still in the growth phase and preferred over open source because of availability of consulting services and almost non-existent switching costs. Cloud computing is used in a variety of services including big data analytics store mass amounts of information about user data for better personalization. There are also open source tools like Hadoop, Cassandra, and HPCC. Cloud computing can be used in test and development environments such as Loadstorm and BlazeMeter. It is also used to provide online storage and is the basis for social media applications. Cloud computing provides tools for application development such as Amazon Lumberyard. Means of communication are increased through the use of cloud. Tools can be accessed anywhere at any time using applications like MS Office or Google Docs. Businesses can use unique softwares for customer relationship management. It's very advantageous as you only pay for what you use. As seen before, cloud computing has many real-life applications. These 5 companies are leaders in their sectors. Dropbox and Google Drive provide online storage. Facebook allows for unlimited sharing of information. Adobe Marketing Cloud aids clients in personalization, and AWS is used in many different sectors. Thank you for watching!